The ultimate guide to meal prepping. Save time and eat healthy. Welcome to the ultimate guide to meal prepping. Save time and eat healthy. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or just someone looking to simplify your life, meal prepping is the perfect solution. Let's dive into how you can streamline your week and keep your meals nutritious and delicious. The first step to successful meal prepping is planning. Start by deciding on your meals for the week. Consider your schedule and choose recipes that suit your lifestyle. Use a meal planner or apps to organize your ideas. Remember to balance your meals with proteins, carbs, and veggies. Don't forget to check your pantry for ingredients you already have. Next up, grocery shopping. Make a list based on your meal plan to avoid buying unnecessary items. Focus on fresh produce, whole grains, and lean proteins. Now, it's time to prep. Choose a day that works for you and batch cook your meals. Start with foods that take the longest to cook. Chop, bake, and sauté your ingredients all at once. Use different cooking techniques like roasting and steaming to add variety to your meals. Proper storage is key to keeping your meals fresh. Use airtight containers and label them with the date. Store meals in the fridge or freezer depending on when you'll eat them. Here are some quick tips. Prep ingredients like grains and proteins in bulk. Keep healthy snacks on hand. Don't be afraid to mix and match meals for variety. And there you have it, a full week of healthy, homemade meals ready to go. With a bit of planning and prep, you can save time, eat well, and enjoy more freedom during your week. Thanks for watching the ultimate guide to meal prepping. Save time and eat healthy. Happy prepping! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more awesome tips and guides. See you next time.